So we are starting algebra 1. In algebra 1 we will study, very first we will learn how to simplify the algebraic expressions. So the difference between the algebraic expression and algebraic equation is equal to sign. So for example, if this expression is written with equal to sign and we have any number on the right hand side, then we can say it is equation. But since this question is without equal sign, so it is an algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression we always simplify, but in equation we get the solution of x or solution of y or any variable. So in algebraic expression, what will we do? Very first, to understand the algebraic expression, you must understand that these are the variables. And this is called the coefficient. What? Coefficient. Remember. So 9ab and 5ab. So ab is the coefficient here. Let's see question number 2. In question number 2, we have 6a and 2a. A is the variable and 6 is the coefficient, as we know. And now what will we do, to solve it? 6a plus 2a is 8a, because whenever we add variables, the coefficient of the variables are added together. Okay, remember, whenever we have same signs, we will always get a positive answer. Means plus plus plus, minus minus is also plus. If we have opposite signs, minus plus minus, then we will get the negative answer, or plus minus minus. Let's do question number 1. So in question number 1, we have 9ab and 5ab. Consider, if we have same variables in both terms, then we can add them and subtract them. So we have 9ab and 5ab. So consider ab as a single variable. So 9ab minus 5ab is 4ab. We will add the same variable, and which value is greater, and tell me what is the sign of 9. 9 has a positive sign and 5 has a negative sign, and the greater value has a positive sign, so we will write a positive sign here, plus sign here, but we assume here is plus, but we don't write it. In algebra, we don't write the plus sign in start, we assume that there is a plus sign. Let's move to the another question. So here we have a, b, c. So we can see 3abc and 2abc. So abc will act as a single variable here, and now we will add them together. So 3abc plus 2abc. 3 plus 2 is 5, so that is 2abc. So whenever we have same variables in expression, we can add them or we can subtract them. But remember, if we have different variables, and remember, if we have the different order, we can also add or subtract. Like if we have 3abc and the second term is 2bac, so it is also same. Order is different, but we have the same expression. Okay, so in this case we will have the same solution, and 3 minus 2 is abc. Let's come to the question number 4. In question number 4, we can see we have xy, 7xy plus 5xy and 13xy. What I suggest to my students, that we should solve our question in steps. So we can see we have two positive terms. We have plus sign, but we don't see it, we assume here is a plus sign. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and xy minus 13xy. We will write plus sign because plus plus plus. Then we have plus sign here we have now minus sign, so plus minus minus. So 13 minus 12 is 1, but we don't write 1 in algebra, so we consider here is 1 and we will leave the 1 space and we will write the answer xy. We assume here is 1 but we don't write. Here we can see what is the sign of the greater value. So greater value is 13 here and it has minus sign, so we will write minus sign with the answer. So this is our answer. Let's come to the next question. 4ab plus 10ba minus bc plus 5cb. So first we will do 4ab plus 10ba. So in this case we can see the order is different but variables are same, so it is also possible. So plus 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 plus, so 4ab plus 10ab is 14ab, then minus plus minus plus minus, but what is the value or what is the greater value here? 5 is the greater value and it has plus sign, so we will write plus sign in the answer. So plus minus minus 5 minus 1 is 4 bc. So how we are writing bc, because their here order is different but we can solve them. So this is the final answer. Now multiplication in algebra. So multiplication in algebra is very easy. So we must remember that a and ab both are, so when we multiply, so here we have a, here we have ab. So when we multiply, we should remember that if variables are different, we can multiply. We can multiply x with y, so it becomes xy. If you multiply a with bc, so it becomes abc. Okay, so there are many examples. So here what we notice that we have a and ab, so it will be 8 times 6, so 8 times 6 is 48, and then a times ab is a square b. Then in question number 2 we have a and b, so 12 a b. Here we have plus sign, here minus sign, minus plus minus, 6 times 4 is 24 a b. A question arises here that here we have plus sign with 6 and 6 is the greater number, so why do we write minus sign here? Remember, if we are multiplying in algebra, we always write the product sign, means plus minus is minus, so we will write minus. We will not see which is the greater value or which is the smaller value, just like we do in addition and subtraction. So here in question number 4 we have minus minus plus, but we don't write plus, so 2 times 6 is 12 and a b. We are not writing minus sign since 6 is a minus sign, but we will not write because minus minus is plus, and we will write plus sign because we are doing multiplication. So this is a quick revision of algebra 1, and we will see the algebra, we will also see the past paper questions. So this is also one simple past paper question, as we can see. So let's start. So here we have two terms. We can see here 3x 2x plus 3 x 3x plus 1. So remember, when we have same variables and we multiply them, so powers are added together, so it becomes x square. If you multiply a with a, so it becomes x square. If a square times a, so we have power 1 here, so it becomes a cube. So we will do the same thing here. 3x times 2x. So 3x minus 3x times 2x is 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared, plus now 3x times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and x times 1, because here we have 3 only, so if we don't have any variables, we consider here is 1, which is not written. We assume here is 1. So x times 1 is x. So 3 times 3 is 9, x times 1 is x. Now minus sign from the quotient. X times x is x square, and 3 will be written as it is, minus plus minus, and then x times 5 is 5x. So it is very simple. And then what will we do? First we will rearrange the expression. 6x square minus 3x square, and then plus 9x, just like this one and this one, minus 5x. So here we have x square and x square, same variables. So plus minus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3 x square, plus 9 minus 5 plus minus minus. So 9 minus 5 is 4x. This is the answer.